back to part 3 of our mini series on how to start a career in real estate. I am so excited to go over this. This is the last part that you guys need to know about all the details and the nitty-gritty of getting into real estate. So let's go. If you guys missed part 1 and part 2, I will have them linked somewhere up here. Don't you worry. You guys can get all caught up to watch today's video. So now you guys have your license. Yes. And you finally picked a brokerages. Good job. So what is the last thing that you need to do? Well, it's educate yourself. Yeah, you heard me right. I know, you're like, all that schooling in real estate school, it should be done, right? No, you're just getting started, guys. As I stated in part 2, knowing what the brokerage that you just chose is offering you in terms of education, inside support, technology, all these things are gonna help further your knowledge base to make your business successful. So as we talked about, if you're just starting out, you're most likely either going into a mentorship program or you're gonna join a team. Both of these are super heavy resources that should be very beneficial to you. A mentorship program is going to put you a successful real estate agent who is running their business. And they are going to take time out of their business to help you grow and learn the tricks of the trade, learn all that. These mentors are going to help you, guide you through your deals and help you so that you don't make mistakes. The first and foremost, like this was ingrained in me. Thank you, Susan. Was contracts, you guys. This is a big part of our job, is making sure those contracts are correct and don't put our clients in a bad situation, and frankly, don't put us in a bad situation. So knowing your contracts is very good. A lot of brokerages will offer contracts training, contract classes. You can get it through so many different sources. And then of course, if you're in a mentor program, they should be going over all that stuff with you as well. Because not only are you this super fun, like for me, like me, I'm just open, I'm loud, I'm fun. If you guys have been following me, you know I do my TikTok dances for fun because I'm so excited. Like I just posted one the other day about how I went in and told my clients that their offer got accepted and I'm doing a little dance, like having fun. That's just me, I'm loud, I'm open, whatever. But there's also that side. I also have my business side where I am straight with the book, cut and clean. This is what I know. Like, yes, I can have fun and have a good time, but I'm also a professional. This is where your mentorships are coming, or if you're on a team, you should be getting support from multiple people. So you have your team leader and then all the people on the team, and everyone is there to help each other. Well, they should be there to help each other succeed and grow because you're growing as a team. Another great way that you can educate yourself is going through CE courses. Your CE courses are your continuing education credits that you need, and you have to have so many fulfilled within the allotted time because you have to renew your license every so many years. So you have to have certain credits and things finished by the time your license comes up for renewal, or you won't be able to renew. But the great part about that is you're always educating yourself. You're always in that realm of education. Partially because you have to if you want to keep an active license. Also, it keeps you growing and keeping up with ever-changing real estate. Some of these classes offer those credits. Some of them are free. Some of them have to pay for. Whatever it is, there are a plethora of classes you can take on anything and everything you can think of. And these are offered through different brokerages. You don't have to be associated with the brokerage that houses them. You just want to see the most ones that come, because sometimes your brokerage will be like, hey, I'm giving this to you for free because you're with me, and this brokerage is like, yeah, there's a $5, $10, $20, whatever charge because you're an outside agent. But there are tons and tons of opportunity for you to grow and educate yourself. I quickly want to just touch base back on joining a team. Usually there's a ton of teams available within the brokerage depending on the size of brokerage you go to. That's also a thing. Depending on what you're wanting and how tight-knit or expanded you want to be. Like when I joined KW, it was like the biggest brokerage in Denver. It was the biggest KW brokerage. Let me just go there. There was about 308 agents when I joined. They also have smaller agencies where there's like 8 agents. So it just depends on what you want. But then they also have teams. So there were multiple teams at the brokerage that I joined. It was kind of like, you kind of, again, so you're interviewing the brokerage and then you kind of interview the teams. If that's a dynamic that you want to go that's going to fit your business model or your goals or however you're running your business, then definitely check out. And then because each team is going to be different internally on how they run things, how they do their splits, how they work together, what they offer as a team. I kind of look at everything as just like an internship. It's like, because you're going to be learning, you're going to be growing, you're going to be right out the chute on a rodeo day, right? And you need to start somewhere, right? So it's just finding out where you want to start. It's definitely a lot of work to do and a lot of information to learn when you're starting a career in real estate. And guys, that is it. That is the end of my 3-part series on how to get started a career in real estate. I hope it was super helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. I will have the whole list right here linked for you. So in part 1 was all about getting your real estate license and the hoops and jumps you gotta do to get through that. Part 2 was all about what brokerage are you gonna align yourself with to make yourself a success. And this last part was educating yourself. I hope this mini series has motivated you or maybe jump-started some of you to get into real estate, getting your license, and get going on whatever your goals and dreams and hopes are. And of course, as always, guys, please continue to like, share, follow, and subscribe to my channel. If there's anything that I didn't touch on, you would like a little more information, let me know in the comments below. Let me know, guys, where are you getting your licenses at? Where did you pick for your brokerage? And what are avenues or things that you're doing to keep educating yourself, to keep up with the rolling market? And of course, if I don't see you guys around Denver, I'll definitely see you on my next video. Bye!